is an Islamic convention under which a person donates his property for religious, social, or charitable purposes. This property then comes under the Waqf board. This property or the income from it can only be used for the activities of public welfare. Waqf laws have been amended and new laws have been introduced from time to time, but proper management of Waqf properties still remains an issue because common Muslims, poor Muslims, and women are not getting its benefits. If we look at the problems of Waqf, then mismanagement and irregularities in the boards are a big issue. Another problem is lack of transparency. Waqf boards have been facing allegations that they do not maintain proper accounts of the properties. Audits are not done on time. The objectives for which Waqf was created are not being fulfilled. Instead of schools, hospitals, and community welfare schemes, Waqf properties often become victims of disputes and politics. Apart from this, the participation of women and backward classes in Waqf boards is negligible. Incompleteness of records, that is, survey of Waqf properties and documents related to ownership, are incomplete. Long pending cases. Around 31,999 cases are pending, of which 16,140 cases are related to encroachment. Arbitrary power. The Waqf board has the prerogative to claim ownership over properties, which gives rise to many disputes. Economic crisis. The income of Waqf properties is continuously falling year after year. In view of these shortcomings, there was a need to amend the Waqf Act. The government understood this need and decided to make the necessary amendments. For this, a Joint Parliamentary Committee or JPC was formed, which studied the current status of Waqf, held 36 meetings across the country, had extensive discussions with stakeholders and highlighted many shortcomings. The amendments proposed by the government are: only such persons can do Waqf who have been following Islam for at least 5 years. Waqf by user removed. Now Waqf properties cannot be claimed without legal documents. Ensuring rights of women. Any property can be given to Waqf only after giving women their due rights. Digitization mandatory. Information on Waqf properties must be uploaded on the online portal within 6 months. Protection of government properties. Investigation by senior officials will be necessary before declaring government land as Waqf. Reorganization of Waqf boards. Representation of women, backward Muslim communities, Bohra and Aga Khani communities increased. Article 40 removed. Now Waqf boards cannot arbitrarily declare any property as Waqf. Right to appeal within a limited period. Now an appeal can be made in the High Court against the decision of the Waqf Tribunal within 90 days. New penalty provisions. There is a provision of fine up to ₹1 lakh and imprisonment up to 6 months on mutawallis, that is Waqf property managers who commit financial irregularities. The new amendments are in the interest of common Muslims, as the Waqf Amendment Bill 2024 aims to ensure the proper use of Waqf properties through transparency, digitization, and judicial reforms. This law is a big step especially for women, which will give them their rights and improve their socio-economic status.
अल्पसंख्यक कार्य मंत्रालय, भारत सरकार, भागीदारी से भाग्योदय।